So I started to think aftermarket LED headlight bulbs have reached their peak until I found these. They're by Auxbeam, and these are the GX Color Series headlight bulbs, and they're tunable from cool white to amber. And Auxbeam was kind enough to send me these app control bulbs along with their hat. And so far I've been pretty happy with the quality of Auxbeam. I've been using their stuff for quite a while now. And if you don't like having Bluetooth on your headlight bulbs and you don't want to deal with an app, they also sell a cheaper version of this where you can change them from amber to cool white just by turning your headlights on and off. However, I wanted to be able to tune my headlight bulbs to the exact color temperature I wanted. But anyways, let's go ahead and check these out. Some zip ties, and these actually come with extra O-rings. And the AI Tricolor app is the one you're gonna wanna download. But check these bulbs out. They're pretty much all aluminum, even the adapter plate. And they have a cooling fan on the back, but these definitely appear to have some quality. These bulbs are in the H4 format, and I really like how they have these adapters so you can keep your boot. And it's got a little O-ring on there, and that's what the replacements are for, and that'll help keep moisture out of your headlights. And they got the built-in control module, all aluminum, with some gold Auxbeam lighting there. And this wire is the Bluetooth antenna, and says do not cut. And then you got the H4 connector. And these also come with some double-sided sticky foam tape to be able to mount the control modules. I got the app up here. Let's go ahead and power them on with the power supply. You can hear the fans going. I got the exposure and the white balance locked on my camera. So right now they're right in the middle brightness, about 49%, and right in the middle of the color temperature. They're pulling about 52 watts. So we can go to max brightness. You can hear the fan speed pick up, and those are up to 107 watts. Quite a bit of power there. Now we can go to full white, and then full yellow. Well, that sun is going down, so let's go ahead and get these installed in my 3rd generation 4Runner. These are pretty easy to do, however, there's not a lot of room to work with on the 3rd gen, especially on the battery side. Pull the boot off. Just pressure fit, and then there's this little catch you just gotta pull up and the bulb pops out. This is an older LED bulb that I had in here, and you can see this little cover needs to go on the bottom like the old bulb. You can actually swap it around so you can put it upside down, so just keep that in mind. Or if you're having problems where the headlight's not making any sense, you might just have to flip it 180 degrees. I'll go ahead and pull the adapter off, and then we'll install it. It can only go in one way, at least the adapter. Then we stick the boot on like that, and feed the bulb down here. See how that little cover's on the bottom? It's a little tight fit, but should keep everything nice and waterproof. And you can see it turn, and there, I'll turn it all the way to the lock. And then I have these decoder packs in here. I have another video on that because you have to use these for the high beam indicator to work on the 4Runner. And I'm pretty sure these new bulbs are gonna be the same. They're basically just resistors, but they make it really easy to install. I'll go ahead and plug the connector in. And it might be a good idea to keep the antenna kind of upwards so you get the best Bluetooth reception. And I'm just gonna use a zip tie for the module to hold it down to the other wires so it's not bouncing all over. And then we do the same thing on the other side. And with new headlight bulbs, you might need to adjust them. It might take some trial and error. You want them high enough so you can see, but not too high so you're blinding people. Okay, for reference, here are the stock xenon lights on my 07 BMW. These are just the low beams, and those are the high beams. And here are those new Auxbeam headlights on my 4Runner. And these are the full white at maximum brightness, and here are the high beams. Pretty crazy bright. Okay, let's check out the app for these bulbs, AI Tricolor. upper left-hand corner is a little light bulb symbol, and you can see both of my bulbs are connected. It's really nice. It just connects automatically. Tap on the side, make that go away. So it doesn't really remember exactly where you left off. Right in the middle, we can go to white. It's at max brightness, max white. And then we have white yellow. I really like this one. It's a lot more natural, but it's not super yellow. And then we got the yellow, and it looks like it will strobe on any of the colors. That's pretty cool. Let's go back to white. At the top, we have the slider, so you can fine tune it exactly where you want. Put it in the middle, and you can get it just a little bit of yellow or a lot of white. And you can just change it back and forth. I kind of like it right about there. It almost looks like the old school filament bulbs. And then below the middle quick selection for the color, we just have quick selection for the brightness, 100%, 75%, 50%, and then it has an SOS mode. And then we can also select the brightness with the slider, make it super dim. I think this is about where my last headlights were, somewhere around there, maybe a little brighter, maybe like about there. And then at the bottom you have a weather mode, and it kind of just selects the best color for each weather. And then if we go back at the top, we have a daytime running lamp mode, and then we can also hit close. That turns them off, I guess. But the main thing I want to make sure is the bulbs remember the last setting you had it on, so you don't have to go into the app every time. So we'll just select yellow full brightness and turn them off. And I force close the app, and yep, it takes like a second for it to go back to whatever you had it set on. I'm not sure if I'll always drive with them at max brightness because they are pretty darn bright. Might drive with them more around there. But I really like being able to tune them, and having that amber color is going to be so nice in the snow. But if we have it on full yellow and use the high beams, it's still a bright white high beam. So just keep that in mind. Lights are freaking bright. One thing I'll mention is you do have to make sure those antennas are up as much as you can. I have found, like when I'm outside the vehicle, sometimes one headlight will pick up the signal and the other won't. Let's see if I can get it to do it if I'm at the right angle. It's working pretty well right now. Let's see. Yeah, I can't really get it to do it right now, but I've had it a couple times when I'm outside the vehicle. It works fine when I'm inside. I don't have any problems with connection. All right, let's go for a drive with these headlights here. Got it on maximum white, and the cutoff is pretty good. Then we'll go to white yellow. That is really nice, really easy on the eyes right there. Then yellow is crazy. There's the high beams with the yellow. You can see so much. I love how bright these bulbs are. Back to white, yellow, high beams, and white. Change the brightness there. Right on the app. High beams again. You can still change the settings with your high beams on. All right, let's hop on the highway here. Go white, yellow. High beams, you can just see forever down the road. So far, I'm really happy with these Auxbeam headlight bulbs. We'll see how they hold up over time. And I also wish they made a third version without the app, but instead had a wired connection to like a switch block assembly and like a knob, so you could adjust and change everything like that without having to open your phone. But these are still really cool. I like the idea. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found this video useful, and I will catch you next time. Peace out.